Hey y'all, Noah here with SuitTracker. Today we're going to learn how to set up our store mode application. What you're going to need today is your desktop computer or laptop and whatever device you plan to put store mode on, whether that's smartphone or tablet. First step is going to be to grab that device. You're going to open whatever you guys use for the internet on that. Apple devices, we're going to open up Safari here. We're going to go to SuitTracker.app. You're going to press login like you normally would to log in, but we're not actually going to log in. When we get to this screen here, what we're going to do is go under where you would normally put in your credentials to log in. There's going to be a button that says install SuitTracker store mode app. When you press that, it's going to walk you right through how to download that app to your home screen. On Apple devices, there's going to be a quick button that just says add to home screen. You can go ahead and add that. And then now you have your SuitTracker app right on your home screen. What we're going to do now is open that up, and it's going to give you a 5-digit code here. And then we're going to go over to our desktop computer. You're going to go in the upper right under your store settings, and under the tab that is your store, you're going to go under store mode app. And on there, you're going to see the list of devices. You probably don't have any in there yet, so you're going to press the red button, green button in the upper right corner to add a device. You're going to take that code there and you're going to type it in to the desktop on SuitTracker. And then it's going to prompt you to name your device. So I would recommend just giving it a name so you know which one is which and you don't accidentally deactivate the wrong device in the future. Once that's added to your list, it'll show right on your store settings tab on your desktop, and then you can just refresh your page here on SuitTracker, and it's going to bring up that employee login pin there. So what you're going to do there to set up an employee pin, if you don't already have one, is you're going to go back into your SuitTracker desktop and go back to the upper right corner where you have your options. And on the very last one is going to be users and employees. And on there, that's going to pull up the list. As an administrator, you would already have your email and everything will be in there. But as you want to add new people, you can add a new user or you can add a pin, change their permissions, all those things in there. To add a new user, you just put in their first and last name, and you can set them up for store mode only, or if there's somebody that's going to need access to the desktop, you can add them into that as well. But if you want to do store mode only, you'll just put in that first and last name, and you're going to press submit, and then it's just going to prompt you to create a 4-digit pin for that employee. And then once it's in there, they can now access SuitTracker store mode via the store mode app on your device.